This is Robert with Pioneer Smokehouses, and here's a quick tip for you with the Char-Griller smoker. Now, a lot of people don't have 10 smokers running around their yard like I do. So if you want to make something like jerky or smoked fish, it's not hard to do without actually putting a fire in the firebox. So right now, we're running at about 125 temperature, and I don't know if you can see, but we have just a little bit of smoke coming here. And I've almost completed the smoking cycle, but if we open the lid, we might get a puff of smoke, and there is a little bit of smoke in here. You can put your fish or your jerky in here on a drying rack or just directly on the grill if you want. I recommend a drying rack with grill mats on it. And then what you do is you take and put a cast iron pan full of wood chips. This one just happens to be one of the Big Chief pans that you can buy at the store as a replacement, and you see it's smoking a little bit there. And you just run the power cord out the door and set it in here, and it'll smoke and run right up in there. Now, because of how this smoker is designed, you're not going to get up to a high enough temperature to actually process the cooking. But what you can do is you can hit it really hard with a big full pan of wood chips, bigger than what you could put inside of a Big Chief or something, and hit it hard for an hour and then transfer it over. And you can see that after I shook up the wood chips, you see the smoke started coming back again a little bit better. But that right there, for an hour of heavy smoke inside this, and then transfer it over to the oven until you get the drying consistency that you want at like 180 degrees maximum. I like to keep it a little bit lower than that, but it will dry out real good. Or you could use a food dehydrator if you're doing something like jerky. But this is a great way to get smoke flavor without buying another smoker. All you have to have is a real cheap single burner element and a cast iron pan and some wood chips, and you're done. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.